In this video, I'll show you how you can change or remove the straps on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, all you have to do is flip your watch at the back, and then on the straps, you should see this latch next to this latch right here. So if you want to remove this strap, all you have to do is slide it to the left, as you can see. So slide this latch to the left. Then once you slide to the left, pull it out, and that will remove the strap. And you can do the same for the other side. So all you have to do is locate the latch right here, and then slide it to the left, and then pull out the straps, and that's how you can remove the straps. Now, if you want to change it to other straps, you can simply grab the other straps, and to insert it back, all you have to do is also simply align one side of this strap, and then insert this pin at the end of the smartwatch, as you can see right here. So all you have to do is insert one end. So insert one end, and then once you've inserted that end, simply press the latch or slide the latch to the left again, and then slide it in. You should hear a locking sound mechanic indicating that the latch, or rather the straps, is in place, as you can see. So ensure that it's firmly attached to your watch. So you can do the same on the other side. So all you have to do is ensure that you set it like that, one end, and then use this latch, slide it to the left, and then insert it to the other side. And now you have inserted your straps onto your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.